Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to produce like GABA Cannal, only way. Start by choosing the key, tempo, and a simple 4-bar groove, then build layers around that groove. Use 120 to 125 BPM for club warmth, emphasize groove with shuffled hi-hats, and craft a deep bass that sits under the kick. Keep arrangements sparse for impact and automate subtle filter moves to maintain interest and motion. Choose sounds with character that complement each other naturally. Start with one strong bass preset and one percussive kit, then shape them with EQ and saturation. Layer a soft pad to add body, but keep it low in the mix. Use simple chord stabs for emotion and avoid overloading the spectrum, so each element has room to groove and speak. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, it really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for reliable comfort during long studio sessions. They feel great on long-standing hours and keep you focused on the music. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Structure your track around danceable phrases and make transitions meaningful. Build tension before drops with filter sweeps, additive percussion, and short breaks. Keep the kick prominent and sidechain the bass just enough to preserve punch. Mix with mid-side EQ to widen highs and keep mids focused. Then fine-tune levels so the groove feels natural and moves the listener from start to finish.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.